In this video, we're going to take a look at our picks for the top solar panel kits of 2021. Outcastland.com. Coming in at number 3 is the RUSTEE Monocrystalline Solar Starter Kit. This will come with everything you need, excluding your batteries. So you're going to have to pick up your battery separate. But this is a great little starter kit. 100 watt will run you about $160. What's cool about these, though, is they have upgradable versions that go all the way up to about a 200 watt, $450 setup with upgraded parts. So if you're ready to jump right in with a little more, this will have the option on Amazon for you to do that. Coming in at our number 2 pick is the ZAMP Solar Legacy series. What's really handy about these is these fold up and are super durable, built in the USA. So if you're going to be out camping or out in the middle of nowhere for an extended period of time and want some solar energy that you can take along with you, this is a great option. The only downside is you're going to be paying a little bit extra for that, where you can pick this up on Amazon for around $600. Coming in at our number 1 pick is the Top Solar Panel Kit. What makes this our number 1 pick is that it's just as durable, just as high quality as our other picks, but it comes in at a little better price at only $140 for this 100 watt setup. So just like the other ones, you'll need to pick up some batteries to go along with it, but that's all you'll need to get started and be ready to start collecting solar energy. Thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to visit us at outcastland.com, where we sell great recreational land, perfect for hunting, fishing, camping. Visit us on Instagram at Outcastland Inc. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.